Hey guys, and it's Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing Akedo Ultimate Arcade Warriors Madame Furball versus EPIC Shreddy Bear. And EPIC Shreddy is rare, and common is Madame Furball. And this is a versus pack. See all of these versuses. Now let's open it. Now let's get the top. Ooh, I got it. Okay. Where's Shreddy? You left behind Shreddy Bear? Thank you for hoisting him out. Is there anything left in here? Okay, there's nothing. So let's get Madame Furball out first. Okay, I got the stand. And now I got Madame. What's keeping you in? There's nothing keeping you in. I pulled them out. I got Madame Furball out. Madame Furball. Look, cute kitty. But she's being aggressive with this kitty. Like Crazy Cat Lady. But she also has a +1 life in her. And then the common little akedo stand thing. Now let's get Shreddy Bear. Like I said, let's get Shreddy Bear. There you go, Shreddy. What's keeping this up? Oh God. In the back. I got that. Now I got EPIC Shreddy Bear and the silver controller. EPIC Shreddy Bear. I want to tear you apart with my new saw thing. And wow. What's keeping Shreddy? Mother. That's what's keeping you from split striking? He has a +1 damage in him. Oh, let's get this, unwrap him. I really like them though, as Madame Furball's a regular level common, and Shreddy Bear's a rare epic. Now, who will win? I don't know who's gonna win this. Shreddy won! Yeah, Madame Furball, you died to Shreddy. But I really like Shreddy and Madame Furball. And this entire freaking thing with the cool ultra rares, the cool giants, the cool classic, the cool epics, and the collector's case with the end code I want. Which I'd really like to get end code. I really like them all though. Definitely the Drillborg, Scratchatron. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on Twitter at the Funky Play Bros. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at the Funky Play Brothers. Support our vlog at cashapp at the $ Funky Play Brothers. So yeah, more unboxings, more taste tests, more adventures, more monies, and for support. Thank you for watching. Bye.